Hello, welcome again to Adventures in Pop-Ups. This is the place you come for your answered questions. Today we have a question, and it is, how long does it take to set up a pop-up camper? Well,
depends on who you ask.
How experienced are you? Have you done it before? Did you just buy it? And yeah.
I would say starting out, it's going to take you a while. You're going to be like checking the instructions or maybe watching YouTube videos or whatever, trying to figure it out. Once you get it down to a science, so to speak, I believe it takes us about 20 minutes, you think?
Yeah, sometimes 15, sometimes 25, but usually about 20 minutes. And I could probably do it myself in 20 minutes, 25 if I was trying. So not too long, but if you're just getting started, you're gonna wanna go slow and be very careful you don't rip and tear your canvas when setting up and tearing down.
Right. And also it does depend a lot on how much stuff you have to set up. Some people have very organized systems. If you need extra storage, we have a storage video, but a lot of people use like drawer systems. All they do is take it on the floor and put it on the counter and they're done. We don't even do that. So, I mean, we put out the rug, we put out our camp chairs, we set up the camper, and we're done. Now, if you have a bunch of extra goodies that you like to do, then obviously add on for that.
Yeah, and if you want to see some of our storage videos, click up here. Anyways, yeah, that's about it. Anything else you want to add? Or?
Yeah, actually, I'd like to say that if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button.
Please and thank you.
And drop us a question if you have a question. And if for a lot more information on setup, we have a whole setup tips video right here. Click on that sucker and get more information. It's where we go through the process. How do we set up our camper? In what order do you set up your camper? Warning, don't forget this or that. Check that out. And keep coming back for more, because we've got a lot more questions to answer.
Okay, until next time, happy camping.
Happy camping.